because I come from a middle class family of engineers who have not seen B of Bollywood, and suddenly my universe has changed. I don't even know when this transition happened, when I became the CEO. उसकी भी बड़ी funny कहानी है. आप सोचो, आप एक इंसान का म्यूजिक पूरी जिंदगी सुनते हुए आ रहे हो, एंड देन दैट पर्सन ऑन अ कॉल टेल्स यू हाँ वो आई प्रोड्यूस दैट सॉन्ग. वन डे ही इज लाइक हाँ तूने वो गाना सुना था ना लाइव वीडियो पे, कौन सा गाना था पता नहीं, आई वांट टू प्रोड्यूस, पता नहीं. द जावेद अख्तर इज एड्रेसिंग मी बाय माय नेम, ही नोज मी. मैं फ़ोन पे लगा हुआ अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. Suddenly I hear my name, and so he's like, this guy is 24 years old guy, Shivansh, who's our CEO.
When you were narrating the whole story, only one sentence kept coming in my head is शाहरुख खान की वो लाइन, किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो वो कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिला ही देती है.
उसका भी there's a very interesting story there also. Our music industry is so small and so nice and so welcoming that people actually give you that importance.
Hello, welcome to another episode of Hustle Tang. Today we have शिवांश जिंदल with us, जिनकी स्टोरी तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो स्टोरी तो वही बताएंगे कि what he does, but all I can say he is the CEO of Merchant Records. So hello sir, how are you?
सर मत बोलो यार, बहुत बड़ा बना देते मेरे को ऐसे. I'm 26 years old. I think I'm younger than you. Sorry, I'm asking
same
your
age.
age.
I'm 25.
Oh, super.
Yes.
फिर क्यों सर बोल रहे हो?
But
Hi, good to
still
meet you.
CEO आता है ना तो
Yeah, that was for me also a big name to carry because college से निकल के I was a private equity consultant.
okay.
I used to work with Bain Capability Network, and then करते करते I don't even know when this transition happened, when I became the CEO. उसकी भी बड़ी funny कहानी है.
That I want to know, and I want the audience also out there
It's
to
a very
know.
interesting, very long story spread over I think 2.5 years.
We have a lot of time.
Actually, let's go back to COVID. A lot of celebrities, a lot of singers, a lot of musicians, composers used to come and go live on
Yeah,
Instagram.
yeah,
They
yeah.
would add people, they would talk about music, they would listen to people singing. तो मेरा भी मन होता था, but I still would join or not join. But एक चीज़ श्योर थी कि I was a full fanboy of Salim Sulaiman. मैं आज यहाँ पे उसकी वजह से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, I was always like this. And so this one day Salim sir comes live. रात के कुछ 10:30-11 बज रहे हैं, and parents have slept.
Okay.
I'm like, oh shit. And मैंने कहा छोड़ो यार, एक बार ही जगा देंगे पेरेंट्स को, इस लाइफ पे तो जाना ही जाना है. एंड आई कॉल्ड माई फ्रेंड, शी आई आस्क्ड हर, यार तू प्लीज कैन यू स्पैम कमेंट माय नेम हियर बिकॉज आई रियली वांट हिम टू नोटिस, बिकॉज इतने सारे लोग हैं, ही इज कम लाइव फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड आई हैड दिस मेजर क्रेज अबाउट जस्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम. And so he's like, okay, Shivansh, I see you, stop, I'll add you. Okay, cool. And then बड़ा वो होता था. अभी तो I don't know, I have not gone live in a week. उसमें एक सर्कल बना होता था ऐसे, when you're about to go live, and my heartbeat used to be so high. Oh shit. And then he added, and I in my squeaky voice, hi sir, I am Shivansh from Delhi, I sing, I do this, that. And he was very patient, and he's like, okay, what are you gonna do? So I told him I'm going to sing one of my songs. Actually, I sang one of his songs first. I sang Ali Maula.
Okay.
And then and he like, tum apna kuch sunao. And so I sang one of my songs, which eventually then became my debut, which he only produced because he liked the song so much, and I was just I still don't know what I've done in my life to deserve that. Because आप सोचो, आप एक इंसान का म्यूजिक पूरी जिंदगी सुनते हुए आ रहे हो, and then that person on a call tells you हाँ वो I'll produce that song for you.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. So anyway, that's later. So ये सब हुआ, and this thing got over, the live video, and now I know that I am in his primary chats.
Okay.
So अगर मैं मैसेज करूँगा तो पढ़ देंगे, तो ठीक है. And that's when Merchant Records was starting.
Okay.
So
Which year was this?
this is 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, June 2020. And so अगले दिन पोस्टर निकलता है गाने का. हमारा गाना था एक मांगी दुआएं करके. It was the first song of Merchant Records. So मैंने देखा, and ऐसा होता है कि when you idealize someone, when you like someone, you want them to look great.
Yeah.
Like मैं fan हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा जो जिसको मैं fan boy करता हूँ, he should be like top of the game. So I just sent, and apart from being a finance guy, I used to always have craze in marketing, designing. I had my own aesthetic sense. So I just sent him a text without any expectation कि sir आपने ये निकाला है, this is what I feel you can do in your release. And so he saw that message and he did not reply. One day हो गया, 2 दिन हो गए, कोई reply नहीं आया. He just liked that message. Then 2 days later, he's like, okay, Shivansh, I ran all these ideas through my team. They're not able to do it. Can you do it?
Okay.
Okay. And I was, because my Bain joining had got postponed by 6 months because of COVID, I had started a marketing company called Chatter Putter with my friends.
Nice name.
Yeah. We would make memes, we would make parodies, we would do all these kind of things. And so I had a nice, sweet team with me. So मैंने फर्ज कीजिए, मैंने एक चीज़ बोली थी सलीम सर को कि आप एक इंस्टाग्राम फिल्टर बनाओ इस गाने का. उस टाइम पे फिल्टर्स बहुत चलते थे. सो लाइक ब्रो, मेरे को तो आता नहीं है मेरी टीम में किसी को, कैन यू मेक इट? आई न्यू वन पर्सन इन चटर बटर हु न्यू हाउ टू मेक इट. हिज नेम इज आकाश. सो I said yes. So he said, give me your number. Salim sir said, give my number. 30 seconds. Hi, this is Salim. And he's got that baritone voice. I still vividly remember I was in my balcony. मैं balcony में ही बैठ गया. मैंने कहा I can't handle this so much. Too much is going on in my life suddenly. And so he's like, bro, and he's like that. He's very accessible with everyone. He calls everyone. Bro. He's like, bro, I saw this. These ideas are great. Can you do it? Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, do it now. So I'm like, okay. So I call Akash. I'm like, bro, I spoke to Salim sir. He's like, Salim? I'm Salim Merchant. क्या तू ऐसे मेरे को पागल बना रहे? मैंने कहा, अरे नहीं भाई, we have to make this. I did these 2 jobs for 2.5 years. So I would wake up at 8:30 in the morning, go to my first place in Gurgaon, and then these guys will wake up, and then that part of my life will start around 11-12 o'clock in the morning. Then the job will get over in the evening, and then I will continue working with them till 3 or 4. So this I did for 2.5 years. But not to forget that I also got a lot of support from my private equity company. Even though it's a big MNC, they supported me so much, I can't tell you. I mean, they were like, you follow this dream of yours also. It's fine. It was fully disclosed because there was no conflict of interest. And so karte, everybody now knew that this guy is working with Salim Sulaiman. So that was a fancy thing. And for the first 6 months, I didn't even meet them. I met them in November. I started working on them in June. और उसके बीच, उसके दौरान one day he's like, हाँ तूने वो गाना सुनाया था ना लाइव वीडियो पे, कौन सा गाना था? पता नहीं. हाँ, पता नहीं. I want to produce पता नहीं. I'm like, okay. And he used to work from his home because COVID था, सब स्टूडियो वगैरह बंद थे. And he was so sweet and involved me in the entire process. And he's like, you come on Zoom calls with me. You see how I'm producing everything. You see my process. He doesn't have to do it, but he still did it. And I'm seeing that song come to life in front of me, and I'm like, wow. So that was one very important thing. He's naturally like that. He's naturally very, like, he just likes to be around people. And he always says that teamwork makes the dream work. He's very like around people, their energies, their vibes. So ये सब हुआ. So I couldn't believe कि 2 महीने में Salim Sulaiman are producing a song of mine. And ठीक है, हो रहा है, good things are happening. Then I meet them in November. हमारा एक album है भूमि करके, which we release every year. And so Bhumi is like multiple singers from all over the country and outside. They come together. We release 10 songs. Bhumi का launch था. Imagine, पहला दिन meeting Salim Merchant, Sulaiman Merchant, and उसी party में everyone is there. Sukhwinder Singh is there, Arman Malik is there, Junita Gandhi is there. I'm like, what is happening? You can't, because I come from a middle class family of engineers who have not seen B of Bollywood, and suddenly my universe has changed. And it's very, I mean, although I worked very hard and I was very happy doing whatever I was doing, and that's why things were also happening. And slowly करते 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 they also got to know कि अच्छा इसको तो finance भी आता है, he can make presentations also, he can present also, he also knows video editing, okay ये thumbnails भी बनाना जानते हैं. So I did bunch of things. तो ये हुआ सब. And now I started taking care of the label. I was the first employee. गाना रिलीज हो रहा है, गाने का प्रमोशन, टॉकिंग टू द आर्टिस्ट, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इट, सब वन मैन आर्मी चल रहा था बिकॉज वी वर अ वेरी स्मॉल टीम देन. नाउ करते करते ऐसा हो गया कि आई वुड ऑल्सो आस्क हिम, I mean, this is a very important thing that I still cherish and I still take it with me as an employer now. I have my own sweet team and you know, I used to ask him कि मैं छोड़ देता हूँ, मैं आ जाता हूँ, बॉम्बे आ जाता हूँ. He's like, bro, you're earning a lot of money there. Please be there. He could have told me, आ जा, और मैं आ जाता. I could have left that job in a second. He's like, no, you're earning a decent amount of money. Continue doing that. Then दो सवा दो साल हो गए, we hit our first angel round and he called me again. He's like, okay, how much you're earning now? This much. How much will you be earning 5 years later in this company where you are? I'm like, wow, इतना तो मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था. But you get a sense कि अगर ये इंसान इतना सोच रहा है मेरे बारे में, so I don't have to ever worry about my employer now. I'm like, so this much I'll be earning. Okay, resign. Next day I resigned. People thought it's a prank because out of nowhere, like people thought it's a prank email. I'm like, no, it's not a prank email. I'm going. And my managers knew कि ये रुकेगा तो है नहीं. He's a very stubborn kind of a guy. So I resigned. 2 months ka notice period. Next thing, I'm in Bombay now. Shifted everything. I gave, and like my parents have been very supportive. So 15th Feb 22 is when I came here. Meta का एक podcast चल रहा था. There was Salim sir. There was Atul Churamani sir, who's a big veteran in the music publishing space. And there was Kabir Chandra from Meta. और मैं ऐसे ही बैक स्टेज बैठा हुआ, मतलब इन द कंट्रोल रूम, आई एम लुकिंग एट ऑल द एंगल्स, दिस दैट, चले जा रहे. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर वाचिंग दैट पॉडकास्ट ऑफ दिस. फ़ोन पे लगा हुआ अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. सडनली आई हियर माई नेम. And so he's like, this guy, this 24 years old guy, Shivansh, who's our CEO. And I'm like, and I started getting messages from people कि तूने बताया नहीं कि तू CEO बन गया है. अभी पता चला मेरे को, बस एक सेकंड पहले. Because he would jokingly call me the CEO before also, when he's introducing कि this guy is our CEO, he does everything. But obviously it wasn't a formal position because I was working in Bain. I couldn't have taken any formal position like that. तो पॉडकास्ट वो ख़त्म हुई. मैंने कहा सर आपने ऐसे अनाउंस कर दिया CEO. कह लगे तो हाँ तू है CEO. एंड दैट्स इट. ऐसे बन गया मैं CEO. एंड पीपल आर गोइंग नट्स ओवर. पीपल आर लाइक, अरे तू बताया नहीं. मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं पता था. माय मैनेजर्स कॉल्ड मी. एवरीबडी वाज वेरी हैप्पी. It was also a big moment for me because like becoming a CEO at 24 years old it's something. It was also a lot of responsibility because you're representing somebody who's had such a glorifying, such a career with no black dots or stains on it. It's a very clean journey of more than 3 decades now.
And it's actually amazing because usually when you see young co-founders, owners, CEOs, you see a little bit of arrogance in them. You can sense it. उनके बातों से ही दिखता है. But you working in such a big label and still being so humble, being so nice and warm too.
I think that's also because of them only. I mean, I would also give it to my parents for for the upbringing that I got. But also when you're working with somebody who's achieved so much in life and they are so humble, what's in me to be arrogant? Why? I need to understand which room I am in. I need to read the room. उस रूम में एरोगेंस की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई जगह नहीं है. एवरीबडी इज सो केपेबल देयर वेयर वी वर्क इन आवर स्टूडियो दैट आप स्टूडेंट बन के रहो तो आप बहुत कुछ सीख जाओगे. दे आर लर्निंग स्टिल. I always follow this one thing that teach what you know, learn what you don't. Simple है. And that's any person who is successful will be following that only. I'm sure you know 10 different things that I don't know.
Hmm.
And I may know a thing or two also that I can tell you. And there's no harm in sharing it.
Hmm.
मेरा तो कुछ जान ही रहा है.
Yes. Okay. Coming to what does merchant label does, like what do you guys do?
Well, a lot of things. Merchant Records started in 2020.
Hmm.
We are a music label. We started releasing songs of Salim Suleiman's,
Hmm.
but also not just of Salim Suleiman. It's an artist-driven label by these artists, but also for everyone else. So, बड़ी मज़े की बात ये है कि everybody who's working in Merchant Records is also a musician. So, apart from Salim Suleiman, I am a musician too. But my team, there is Vidhi Bodar, who is a great singer-songwriter. She handles our marketing. There's Nidhi Ketan. She's also a singer-songwriter. She handles our publishing, our distribution. Then there is Boni Gosain. He is a drummer, producer. He handles our social media.
Wow.
सो ऐसी टीम के साथ काम करने में बड़ा अच्छा रहता है. उसका कारण है, उसका ये रीज़न है कि व्हेन वी गेट अ पिच फ्रॉम अ सिंगर और अ कंपोजर विच इज़ लेट्स से अ गज़ल और अ ठुमरी और अ क्लासिकल सॉन्ग, और मे बी ये तो एक बात हुई, मे बी इट्स अ लॉन्ग सॉन्ग, मे बी इट्स अ 7 minute लॉन्ग सॉन्ग. मोस्ट लेबल्स टुडे जस्ट रिजेक्ट इट विदाउट इवन लिसनिंग टू इट. ये नहीं चलेगा यार, बहुत लंबा, कौन सुनेगा. यू डोंट नो क्या आजकल क्या चल रहा है. यू डोंट नो आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे कितना अटेंशन स्पैन. वी डोंट डू एनी ऑफ इट. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर ऑल म्यूजिशियंस.
Yeah.
So we understand where they're coming from. We understand what it takes to make a 7 minute long song. We know that it's so important. Also, not let these formats, these genres of music die. Thumri, ghazal, bhajans. We are very heavy on devotional music. And apart from that, Merchant Records is not just a hub for musicians, because we release so many music pieces. It's a creative space for even video directors to have fun.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very free, clean slate. You know, we tell our artists, they ask me, they still ask me कि what kind of music should we send to Merchant Records. आपका कोई एक टाइप है? कोई टाइप नहीं है. कोई लैंग्वेज है? कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं है. कोई ड्यूरेशन है? कुछ नहीं है. आप भेजो. एंड वी आर वेरी एक्सेसिबल. वी वॉन्ट पीपल टू फील कि हाँ, मैं मर्चेंट रिकॉर्ड्स के पास आराम से जा सकता हूँ. जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था मर्चेंट रिकॉर्ड्स, वी यूज्ड टू रिलीज 2 songs a month, 1 song a month. We now release 15 songs a month. But we know every 15 जो भी songs है उसका आर्टिस्ट कौन है, वो गाना क्या है, किसने लिखा है, क्या है गाना. Like we keep playing this in our studio. अच्छा, इसका पता कौन सा आर्टिस्ट है? अच्छा, do you know इसका lyricist कौन है? So that we know what we are doing. The artist feels seen. They feel heard. Otherwise, I can release 150 songs also a month.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know what's going on. And then we do IPs like Bhumi, Soundcheck. So Bhumi is all folk, but folk meets pop. There's Kashmiri music. There's Uttarakhandi music. There's Garhwali. There's Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Assamese. We did a collaboration of Paponda with Niniola from Africa. So Assam meets Africa. Then we did a collaboration of our Rajasthani Manganiyar singers, Langa and Manganiyar singers, with a lady called Lauren Alred, who is a Billboard artist from New York. So these kind of collaborations. We just did a collaboration of Sonu Nigam and Paradox. We just released a song with Arijit Singh called Sukoon. बहुत चीज़ें करते हैं हम. Similarly, there is Soundcheck, which is for bands.
Okay.
Rock bands, fusion bands, jazz, instrumentals. We also release a lot of instrumental music. A lot of people say कि आप instrumental भी निकालते हो. Why not? Music is music.
Yeah.
And the only I always say that the only language music has is music itself. I listen to so many songs जिसका मुझे भाषा नहीं समझ आता, but I still like it.
Yeah.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
So that's what we do.
I listen to Punjabi songs and I don't understand it, but I enjoy it.
Me
I
too.
enjoy it.
Yeah, and then over and above, we also release our own music. So Shivansh is also releasing a song on Merchant Records. Vidhi is also releasing a song. Nidhi is also releasing a song. So it's a fun space.
अंडरस्टूड. आप जब ये सब बोल रहे थे ना, मेरा जो ऑपरेशन साइड वाला दिमाग है वो खर्चे कैलकुलेट कर रहा था कि वीडियो
Yes.
प्रोडक्शन में इधर जाएगा उधर जाएगा. हाउ डू यू गाइज मेक मनी?
We don't. Somewhere we do, somewhere mostly we don't. Today, the streaming revenues have dipped down to an all-time low. Even YouTube has gone down, especially after shorts came in. The long format sort of took a hit. Music videos, podcasts still do very well, but music videos not so much. अगर मैं आपको 5 गाने बोलूँगा, आपने वो गाने सुने होंगे, उनकी म्यूजिक वीडियोस शायद नहीं देखी होगी. Have you seen a music video for any Karan Aujla song right now?
I have.
You are a
I
loyal
have-
fan.
Yes, I am. I have become Karan Aujla's loyal fan, I think, by last year.
Uh-huh.
And मैं बहुत
Yeah.
ध्यान से सुनती हूँ. Plus, I also go search for the meanings of his song.
Very cool.
So, हाँ.
My hypothesis or my observation is that आज मैं गाना सुनता हूँ, मैं शायद उसको रील्स पे एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ. I do not go to YouTube to
Yeah.
watch the entire music video. Everybody is using their phone like this, not like this.
Yes.
So because we released about 140 songs last year alone. We have released a total of 500 songs in 5 years. अगर मैं सबकी म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाता तो अभी तक शायद मोशन रिकॉर्ड्स बंद हो चुका होता. But because Salim and Suleiman sir are also very financially intelligent, and they also know what's going on in the industry, in the landscape, in the market, we stopped making music video for every song because we knew that the return on it is not significant, and the cost that's going over it, it's humongous.
Yes, it is.
So, but we still do a lot of expenditure on Bhumi because everything has a reason. Bhumi is not just our label's album, it's a representation of Indian music.
Yes.
कल को एक अमेरिकन या कनेडियन या अफ्रीकन लिसनर जब इंडिया का म्यूजिक देखे तो उसको दिखना चाहिए that these guys do this job very well. So that's where we spend a lot of money, but we also have partners who, Milton is our partner this year. IGI was our partner. GoDaddy has been our partner. So we get some monetary help from them, and we also make sure that whoever we work with, they get that value addition. Apart from that, we sometimes make a lyrical video. Sometimes we don't make a video at all, but we push reels. Because understanding the format, understanding the medium, understanding the distribution channels is very important. If you, हर एक आर्टिस्ट की ख्वाहिश होती है कि मेरी एक अच्छी म्यूजिक वीडियो हो. But I tell them कि listen, either you can spend all your money in one go and release one song, or you can release 5 songs in that money, and you'll be having a better chance of being discovered, because it's like a bet.
Yeah.
It's like a dart board. You keep shooting that dart. Maybe एक बारी नहीं होगा, 2 बारी नहीं होगा, 3 बारी नहीं होगा, 5वीं बारी हो जाएगा. So that's how we talk to our artists also, and we follow exactly that for ourselves. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर शिवांश का एक गाना निकल रहा तो ये तो कमाल की म्यूजिक वीडियो है, बट अगर किसी और आर्टिस्ट का गाना निकल रहा है मोशन रिकॉर्ड्स पे तो वहाँ पे वी आर कटिंग कॉर्नर्स. What we say is what we follow. That's how we have been able to somehow maintain our P&L and our balance sheets and our sustainability. A lot of labels start and they stop.
Yeah.
Because probably there's no one to guide them. But we have had partners around us who have told us many, many times. And that's why people come to us, ki, yaar, how are you doing it? How are you able to sustain? We are not able to. So it's got a lot of, it's a mix of music and music business. So that's why having, it's so nice that I was fortunate enough to study from a nice business school, go to a nice management consultancy company, and then come here. So I can use all of that with music.
Fair, but कभी ऐसे नहीं होता कि it is very difficult to maintain the motivation within the team also.
Of course.
जब पता है कि शायद पैसे उतने नहीं बन रहे. Passion, creativity, everything is really fun, and I can see the love that you have for
Yeah.
it, the way you talk about it.
Yeah.
But from a very outside perspective and from a very business mindset also, जब पैसे नहीं बन रहे होते, it is very demotivating.
Hmm.
Plus it is very difficult for the team also then to stay motivated.
That's a very good question. I know that's the HR in you speaking.
Yes.
See, I've been fortunate to work with very passionate people
Hmm.
like myself.
Hmm.
And they are also, they also have the same vision, the same love, the same liking for music, for Salim Suleiman, and for this company. They can work elsewhere, probably earn 5 times, 3 times, 2 times, but they have stuck around because of the same common thread on which we all are living. So it's because of them. See, you can't do everything alone.
Hmm.
You have to have a team,
Yes.
and to have a team which thinks like you is very important. So there's a very good culture in our studio.
मेक सेंस. मतलब हाँ, अगर उतना ड्राइव और पैशन है किसी चीज़ के लिए, देन आई डोंट थिंक एनीथिंग एल्स
I
वुड
think
मैटर दैट मच.
that's our key element. Yeah.
एंड एज यू वर मेंशनिंग कि जैसे रील्स आ गए, शॉर्ट्स आ गए, बिकॉज ऑफ विच अटेंशन स्पैन काफ़ी कम हो गया, एंड
Yeah.
दैट्स ऑल्सो अ रीज़न वाई यू गाइज आर नॉट मेकिंग मच लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोज़ एंड एवरीथिंग. डू यू थिंक दैट हैज़ ऑल्सो अफेक्टेड द म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री इन सम वे?
See, music industry keeps changing. You're talking about short form and long form.
Yes.
You must see that आज की डेट में people have started making vertical music videos. Everything, see, it's also evolving very quickly. Everybody is experimenting. पहले लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल म्यूजिक वीडियोस बनाते थे, अभी वर्टिकल बना रहे हैं. बीच में एक ट्रेंड आया था, इतनी सी स्ट्रिप
हाँ,
आती
हाँ,
थी
हाँ,
इंस्टाग्राम
हाँ.
पे. कुछ भी चल रहा है. बट
Yes.
इट्स ऑल एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस.
Hmm.
करेंगे नहीं तो पता कैसे चलेगा.
Yeah.
सो एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Hmm.
आज की डेट में रील्स has become such a big discovery
Yeah.
driver
Hmm.
that I can't say that short form is bad.
Hmm.
बिकॉज आज आपको अपना गाना रोज के हजारों गानों के बीच में से घूमते हुए पेनिट्रेट करना है एक लिसनर की फेवरेट प्लेलिस्ट में,
Yeah.
तब वो गाना लूप होगा.
Hmm.
फॉर दैट दे नीड टू सी दैट सॉन्ग अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन,
Hmm.
बट नॉट द होल सॉन्ग, मे बी द हुक ऑफ इट.
Yeah.
नाउ द हुक ऑफ इट विल कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट रील्स. एवरीथिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट्स ऑलवेज अ सम टोटल ऑफ दिस मिक्स. आपने एक अच्छी म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाई, उसको रील्स पे प्रमोट किया, क्रिएटर्स ने उसको अडेप्ट किया, आप अपना कंटेंट पीस डाल रहे हो, हर जगह से जब देखेंगे तब वो गाना बनता है कि हाँ, नाउ वी हैव हर्ड दिस बिफोर समवेयर.
Also, now I don't know what the scenario is, but I think 3-4 years back there have been 2-3 singers who have also come out and said ki singers don't get paid for the money for the songs that they are singing in a movie, rather they get unka major chunk of income is through concerts. Has that changed? Yeah, it's still the same.
We pay all our singers. That's also because we are musicians ourselves. But I think everybody pays singers now. I don't know about the past, but people get paid properly. And of course, if the song becomes big, then the artist also benefits from it. आप बाहर जाओगे, आपको वो फेम मिल रहा है, उस फेम के साथ साथ आप शोज कर रहे हो. प्रॉब्ली आज तो लोग एक गाना बड़ा हो जाता है तो टूर अनाउंस कर देते हैं उस गाने का. सो दैट्स ऑल कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट सॉन्ग ओनली. मे बी यू हैव नॉट गॉट enough money when recording that song, but because the labels also worked really hard to make that song big, तो ऐसा नहीं है. The people are paid enough, and then it's how the artist also see. It's a today every song, it's like a an asset in itself, and everybody has to contribute in it.
Yeah.
The label, the artist's management, and the audience. It's not just one person's thing. So वही है, आप सब contribute करो and आप सब उससे benefit करो. That's how it should be.
But अगर कोई फ्रेश बंदा है जो जस्ट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज है, who's 20-21 and wants to start their own record business या
Yes.
label, want to build a studio of their own, can they do it? And if yes, what is the approximate capital also that they should keep in mind?
That's a very good question. They can. Absolutely. I mean, what's stopping you from doing this? As long as the capital is concerned, आज की डेट में you don't have to spend so much to run a record label successfully. You need to spend smartly. Today the biggest songs don't have a music video. Today the biggest songs don't have that much kharcha. And today it's a great time to be an independent musician. आज Spotify के टॉप 10 में 10 में से 6-7 गाने इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं, नॉन फिल्म होते हैं. 2 या 3 गाने होते हैं जो फिल्म्स के होते हैं, उनमें से भी कुछ पुराने गाने होते हैं, 1 या 2 गाने होते हैं जो एक्चुअली किसी फिल्म का गाना फटा है. So it's a great time to be an independent musician or run a record label. But you need to do it smartly. Any business you have to do it smartly.
Yeah, that is true.
आप कुछ भी start कर सकते हो.
As you were saying about old songs and new songs,
Yeah.
In recent times, after discovering Karan Aujla, I feel there are still good songs out there. But for the major chunk ना ये होता था कि यार अगर तुम songs भी सुन रहे हो ना, you go back to your 2010s वाले songs. Do you feel कि there was a dip in between? Because again, there was a wide range of period जहाँ पे people started remixing the old songs also.
They still are, unfortunately.
Yes.
Yes, there was a dip, I would say. That's how I see it. आज भी हम clubs में जाते हैं तो we actually enjoy listening to that era of the early 2000s से लेकर 2010, 12, 15 max. उसके बाद जो dip आया है, people are either remixing, picking some part from one song, then using it in another. जबकि बहुत अच्छे composers हैं हमारे देश में, but हाल ही में I think it's changing also a little bit. I really liked Sanyara as an album. It was very good. Even Metro, the second part was very good. And some really good composers. Barbad करके जो गाना है, that's by an artist called Rish. Very young artist, still did so well with that song. So ऐसा नहीं है. Things are changing and I think things will change for the better. Today there's also a great synergy between film and non-film music. Tauba Tauba is the biggest example. Yeah. Karan Aujla in a film, and there's no this thing कि ये अलग है या ये अलग है. Everything is intermingled. So I think it's just about time. करते audiences also see आज की डेट का listener बहुत smart है.
Yeah.
They know what they want to listen. And the companies are also very smart. When they know what the listener is listening, they'll adapt accordingly. बीच में शायद एक दौर था कि people were liking the remixes. So the remixes happened. Now they won't. It's like that.
Plus वही है ना कि those songs also were in the time जहाँ TV पे songs सुने जाते थे. तो skip वाले options नहीं थे. अभी if you don't like it, you can just scroll.
It's very competitive today. That's why people are doing कि यार 30 सेकंड में गाना अच्छा कैसे बनाऊं. But if you actually see, people are also very lazy. अगर आप अच्छा गाना आज भी बनाओ तो लोग सुनेंगे. अगर कोई 3 घंटे की पॉडकास्ट देख सकता है तो वो 5 मिनट का गाना भी सुन सकता है. But you have to give them that. अगर आप एक ही गाना, if it's a linear progression in the song, लोग बंद कर देंगे. You need to surprise them in a long song. That's the thing.
Also, when I was saying ये 2000 to 2010 वाला trend, huge wide range of songs back then also was जिसमें इमरान हाशमी था. Those love songs has some crazy vibe to it which no one is able to figure out, but I am sure सबको पसंद है वो songs.
Of course.
So as a musician yourself also, is there any code that you have figured out? Okay, maybe this were the reasons why it was working.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. See, at that time ना, movies were also very good. People also used to go to the theaters. Everything was a package. Sometimes ऐसा होता था कि एक एल्बम की वजह से मूवी चल जाती थी, और समटाइम्स ऐसा भी होता था कि जो एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस की एक्टिंग है उसकी वजह से वो एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट जब एक गाने को मिल जाता है तो वो भी एक गाने को उठाता है. सो एवरीथिंग वाज इंटर रिलेटेड. तो अगर आज आप कोई भी मूवी देख लो, उसका सक्सेस is not just alone because of the movie or because of the songs. It's always a partnership. तो उस टाइम पे भी कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं था. Really. कुर्बान की मूवी एकदम एक डायरेक्शन में जा रही है और गाने बिल्कुल मतलब they had their own merit. तो मतलब कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है. You never know what works. You just have to keep doing it. See, आज एक साल में 150 गाने जब निकालते हैं, I don't know which songs will work. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जो मुझे गाना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है वो शायद नहीं अच्छा लगे, और जो मुझे लग रहा है यार इट्स ओके, वो शायद चल जाए, यू डोंट नो, सो यू गोटा कीप डूइंग इट. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द नेम ऑफ द गेम. आप जब करोगे तो ही जानोगे, जानोगे तो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, करोगे तो यू कीप इम्प्रूविंग. इट्स अ लूप.
Okay, and also my understanding personally of musicians, music industry, now obviously it has changed because obviously I meet people, I research about it, I learn about it.
Yeah.
But while growing up, Rockstar movie थी which which was kind of a representation कि okay एक singer की life ऐसी हो
ऐसी
सकती
होती
है.
है.
Do you think singer needs that pain firstly, and secondly what is your take on Rockstar का music album overall?
Oh, it's a superb album. It really defined a new wave in the music industry. I think it's really very very good. मैं कुछ मतलब कुछ भी बोलना उसके बारे में कमी है, because you know all the songs I still listen to Kun Faya Kun, and I still listen to Tumohan, I still listen to Sadak. Was a rage. We used to be in
Yeah.
school, every school band used to play that song, and they used to look cool.
Yes.
Sadak बजाना, I'm very cool. So it became like an anthem for musicians. And you know एक एस्पिरेशनल वैल्यू भी हो जाती है म्यूजिशियन के लिए कि मुझे ऐसे स्टेज पे ऐसा गाना गाना है. So people really liked it, you know. Movies like Rockstar, even Ashiki,
Yeah.
too, and now Sayyara, they fall in that category. And apart from that, pain, yes, somewhere. I think मेरे जितने भी गाने मैं वो बोल सकता हूँ कि they mostly come from some part of my life. I recently did an album which was like it was a gay love story, and it had a lot of themes from a heartbreak to falling in love for the first time to figuring out the gaps in a relationship. बहुत कुछ था उसमें, and I could somewhere relate to some part of my life, and then गाना बन जाता है अपने आप. You have to, because I mean I can think of a fictional story also, but it becomes more relatable to think about a part of your life and then write a song. So yeah, see, music again, what is it? It's an expression only, ना. मैं आपको जो भी आज बता रहा हूँ, जो बोल रहा हूँ, वो अपने experience से बोल रहा हूँ. Music is also a language. So if I have to write lyrics, I have to think of a situation. I can either think of a fictional situation or I can think of my own life.
Okay. You have worked with a lot of musicians. So I want to know उनके साथ वर्क करने का एक्सपीरियंस, उनको मिलने का एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड, स्टार्स तक होना इज डेफिनेटली देयर.
Truly. See, so, I think wow, so many
memories. If you don't remember, I'll take one name also in particular.
I can give you all the names. It's crystal clear in my mind. But ऐसा होता है ना कि आप कभी किसी के साथ बैठे हो, तो यू वांट देम कि यार एक दिन ऐसा भी आए जिस दिन दे नो मी.
Yes.
And our music industry is so small and so nice and so welcoming that people actually give you that importance in a very short time only. मुझे अभी भी याद है, I was sitting in our studio and Arman was there, and so I just entered the studio and एक मन में होता है ना कि यार I know him but would he ever know me? And he knew me. It was the first time I met Arman, and he's like, "Hi, Shivansh." I was like, "Hi," and he's like, "Bro, I mean, such a great thing you guys are doing, and I've followed because उसका बड़ा credit जाता है सलीम सर और सुलेमान सर को, because they are very fearless in putting out all the independent artists on their feed, their own feed, which then gets explored by Shreya Ghoshal ma'am or Arman or Sonu sir or whoever. So he knew about my song. जो हमने पहला गाना निकाला था, पता नहीं. He's like, "Bro, you're doing so well," and I was just stunned. I was like, "Wow, okay." I just thought about whether he knows me, and he does. So I think जब वो होता है ना, तो आप भी धीरे धीरे आप समझने लगते हो कि these people are also very normal people, very good people, very humble people. इंसान के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. I think there's not, the bottom line is कि जैसे आप इंसान हो ना, श्रेया मैम, सुनिधि मैम, सोनू सर, they are so loving, and they remember everyone. They remember my office boys also by names. it's in their personality. So धीरे धीरे करते करते, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज, मतलब मैं बहुत वो हूँ कि अगर श्रेया जी इधर भी बैठी होगी ना, आई विल नेवर कम यार मैम कैन आई गेट अ फोटो विद यू, इवन व्हेन आई एम डाइंग फॉर इट, बिकॉज एक रिस्पेक्ट भी होती है. कुछ बोल ही देना उनके सामने इज लाइक अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी स्टिल. कैसे बोलूं, एंड दे आर वेरी स्वीट एंड दे
प्लस
नो
ऑल्सो प्रोफेशनलिज्म भी बीच में आ जाती है ना कि
बहुत
यू
चीजें होती
कांट.
है. यस,
हाँ.
सो बट दे नो बिकॉज दे हैव गॉन थ्रू इट ना. तो मैं कुछ बोल, फोटो चाहिए ना. So then
That's
then
nice.
yeah, come. So they are very sweet. I still remember हम Coldplay का एक कॉन्सर्ट देखने गए थे, बॉम्बे में था, and I had gone with Salim sir and Shreya ma'am was there. So she's like, "Arey hi." I'm like, "Oh wow, I get to watch Coldplay with Shreya Ghoshal and Salim sir and multiple more people, and she just made me feel so comfortable there, like I'm watching a concert with a friend. जबकि मैं अपनी जिंदगी में भी कभी भी सोच भी नहीं सकता है कि मैं उनका फ्रेंड का एफ बी हूँ, बिकॉज यू नो यू सी दीज आर्टिस्ट एज योर रोल मॉडल्स, बट देयर पर्सनैलिटी इज सो हम्बल, सो वेलकमिंग. शी वॉज जस्ट enjoying. शी डज नॉट कीप दैट चिप ऑन हर शोल्डर कि मैं श्रेया घोषाल. So then it becomes your responsibility to, you know, see, they are also humans.
Yeah.
They will also have their moments of fun, enjoyment. But I feel, as my personal opinion is, I should be responsible enough to always have that boundary, that respect, that adab unke samne ki, you know, I know what my boundaries are. And it's very, still I get starstruck when I meet somebody new who I always imagined I will never meet. तो बट वो प्रोफेशनल दायरे में, एंड बिकॉज यू गाइस आर सो नाइस ना, वो आपको लगता ही नहीं कि आपको कुछ जाके बोलना है, वो अपने आप ही सब इट जस्ट फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस. So yeah,
इट डज. कभी कभार ऐसे हिट होता है सुबह उठते उठते कि ओ आई एम वर्किंग विद सो मेनी सिंगर्स.
every day मतलब कैसे मैं बताऊं, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक कॉल फ्लैश हो रही है, बहुत रिसेंट बात है. आई वाज टॉकिंग टू सोनू जी, तो एकदम से ऐसे नोटिफिकेशन आ रही है, जोमैटो, ब्लिंकिट, सोनू निगम. यू कांट बिलीव इट ओनली कि एक दिन मैं उठा, तो मैं थोड़ा लेट उठता हूँ कभी कभी बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग टिल लेट. मिस्ड कॉल, जावेद अख्तर साहब. Like, oh shit. And like, आप क्या सोचोगे उस मोमेंट में? आप क्या, मतलब ठीक है, एक तो पैनिक ही हो गया, शिट उनकी मिस कॉल है, बट समटाइम्स यू लाइक यू जस्ट स्पीचलेस. एंड दे आर सो हम्बल. उनका मैसेज आता है, ही स्टिल राइट्स, शिवांश साहब tried calling you, please call me whenever you are free.
Okay.
The Javed Akhtar. He's addressing me by my name. He knows me. It's a dream. It's just a dream. And ये रोज होता है. And उसके लिए I think the only thing that I think and tell myself is कि this is all hard work. आप काम करते जाओ. काम करने वालों की कभी भी पीपल से कि यार मैं इतना काम करता हूँ, मेरे को रिकग्निशन नहीं मिलता, या मैं ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ, एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस. कर्मा इज अ थिंग, ये तो मैंने जान लिया. गुड कर्मा कम्स बैक टू यू, बैड कर्मा ऑल्सो कम्स बैक टू यू. इट ऑल इवन्स आउट इसी जिंदगी में. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है, मेरे को दिखता है. तो ये तो है, मतलब आई स्टिल कांट बिलीव many things. अभी हमने एक पहला गाना निकाला था with a singer called Parthiv Gohil. He's a Gujarati singer, very famous. So we became friends eventually. तो एक दिन I was going through my chat, तो ऐसे tags वगैरह, then I see a message from 5 years ago when I had covered one of his songs. Like, अरे, मैं कहा, oh no, ये मैसेज अनसेंड कर देना चाहिए था. तो देन यू रिफ्लेक्ट कि मैं कहाँ था, मैं कहाँ आ गया हूँ, क्या हो रहा है. यू जस्ट डोंट नो ओनली. सो इट्स अ वेरी हम्बलिंग जर्नी, बट इट्स ऑल्सो अ वेरी now that I'm here, it's also a responsibility
Yeah.
of people say, a lot of my friends tell me, यार तू 7 दिन काम करता है, तू आता नहीं है, ना तू उस पार्टी में आया, ना तू इसकी शादी में था, ना उसके बर्थडे में था. I just know one thing, that by God's grace, by my parents ka blessings and my teachings, and by Salim Suleiman sir's guidance, where I am today, a lot of people would like to be there. So I need to also be grateful for what I have, maintain it with equal amount of hard work every day. The day I get complacent, the day I get हाँ ठीक है यार चल पार्टी करने चलते हैं, nobody is indispensable.
Yeah.
Nobody is indispensable. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि जो मुझे आता है वो किसी और को नहीं आता. हाँ ये ज़रूर है कि अगर जो मुझे आता है मैं वो करते जाऊँ तो I will also get better, my company will also get better, and it's a win-win for everyone. उसके साइड में कहीं सोशलाइजिंग भी हो ही जाती है.
ओके. ललन टॉप पॉडकास्ट है.
Yes.
हाँ, तो उसमें सौरभ सर ने एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि पाकिस्तानी कोक स्टूडियो में इतने अच्छे सॉन्ग्स बनते, हमारे वहाँ वैसे क्यों नहीं बन रहे. सो यू वर्किंग इन द इंडस्ट्री, यू सीइंग द होल डोमेन अक्रॉस, आपको एंड टू एंड सब पता है. व्हाई डू यू थिंक वी आर लैकिंग?
Are we?
I feel now with Anup Jain का song, little bit we are getting there, but I still feel जो I don't know how to explain, but just the सुकून जो उनके उस वहाँ के songs में है ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं still missing है.
See, I'll tell you something. There are a lot of things. हमारे देश में बहुत बहुत अच्छे musicians हैं, but they also need to be supported by the audiences. वही लोग जो उनको सुकून चाहिए, if they spend some time watching or listening to these songs of Indian musicians, भूमि में ही इतने अच्छे गाने हैं जो कि बहुत सुकूनदायक है. But sometimes क्या होता है कि we don't explore or we don't come across these songs, so we go somewhere else. अपने अंदर ही झांक के देखेंगे तो बहुत कुछ है. We have सोनू निगम, अरिजीत सिंह, श्रेया घोषाल, सुनिधि चौहान, सुखविंदर सिंह, अरमान मलिक. Do we need somebody else? And ये तो चलो ये वो लोग हैं जिनको बहुत पॉपुलैरिटी मिल गई. You go to the roots of our country. You listen to a Rajasthani folk singer. You listen to a Kashmiri folk singer. You listen to an Assamese folk singer. वो एक और है. You go to independent artists. Such great work. There's a singer called Hansika Parikh.
Okay.
आप उसकी आवाज़ सुन लो. अगर आपको सुकून ना मिले तो आप मेरा नाम बदल देना. So good. And they are also doing. So एक independent artist है, एक folk musicians हैं, एक Bollywood है. हर जगह बहुत कुछ है. We are not lacking. We are not lacking. It's just that we need the right discovery. We need the audience's support. And हम ही वो लोग हैं जो जिन गानों को हम पसंद नहीं करते ना, हम ही उन गानों को सुनते भी हैं. जो मैं बोलूँगा यार ये क्या रीमिक्स है, वो जब क्लब में बजता है तो उस पर हम ही डांस करते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है. हमारे देश में बहुत अच्छे देश के कंपोजर्स, लिरिक्स राइटर्स, सिंगर्स, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग हैं. We need to also support them so that they become. Today the world's most followed artist is an Indian. Do you know that?
No.
Arijit Singh.
Oh, okay.
Spotify. It's a fact. The most followed artist on Spotify is not Taylor Swift. It's not Ed Sheeran. It's not Ariana Grande. It's not Bruno Mars.
Oh.
It's not Coldplay. It's Arijit Singh. So then where are we lacking? We are not lacking.
I think it's then lack of information that.
घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर.
Yeah.
We can really, shine and, do our own thing. See, कोई comparison नहीं है. This geographical thing is ऐसा नहीं है. We know a lot of musicians in the others country also, and other parts of पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत अच्छे musicians हैं. It's not an India Pakistan thing. वो बन गया है ऐसा. But हमारे देश में हैं बहुत चीज़ें, तो उनको सपोर्ट कर लेते हैं. Easy.
Yeah. वेल सेड। आप जब ये बोल रहे थे तब मेरे दिमाग में भी फ़हीम भट्ट आया, व्हिच रिसेंटली
Fahim
हाँ,
Abdullah.
अब्दुल्ला, हाँ, ही गेव अ सॉन्ग फॉर सैयारा एंड ही हैज़ अ सॉन्ग कॉल्ड इश्क,
Ishq.
व्हिच इज़ सो
He has a
ब्यूटीफुल।
song called Jhelam.
ओके।
वो लोग नहीं जानते. I know him from then. He's a Kashmiri.
या।
Fahim is a very good friend of ours. And he's been at it for a very long time. People know him for Ishq or for Sayyara, but I still get goosebumps when I hear that song Jhelam.
ओके।
सुनना. So
सुनना पड़ेगा।
वही है कि हमारे देश के कोने कोने में ना जैसे जैसे मिट्टी बदल जाती है, भाषा बदल जाती है, म्यूजिक भी बदल जाता है और तरह तरह का म्यूजिक. आज भी इतनी डाइवर्सिटी हमारे देश में जितनी है कहीं नहीं है. मैं आपको आज भी बोल सकता हूँ, आप गजलें सुन लो, ठुमरी सुन लो, क्लासिकल सुन लो, हिप हॉप सुन लो, पॉप सुन लो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक सुन लो. मैं तो लिस्ट दे सकता हूँ और लंबी. इट्स ऑल इंडिया. एक ही देश में सब कुछ है, कहीं नहीं है इतना. क्लासिकल की रूट्स कहाँ है? इंडिया में ही है.
I also see these days concerts happening a lot in
Yeah.
India and I'm so happy about it क्योंकि मेरे को
Truly.
बड़ा मजा आता है
Truly.
जहाँ सिंगर सॉन्ग आ रहा है and you can just vibe.
Yeah.
So recently I attended विशाल ददलानी का concert also,
Yes.
विशाल शेखर का, and it
Yes,
was
yes,
so
yes.
amazing, it was so fun.
Yeah.
So how do you see it from a very inside perspective?
It's a very good thing. It's a very good thing for the music industry. It's also after COVID, people have also started spending on experiences.
Yes, yes.
कि सुन तो लूंगा मैं Spotify पे, but मुझे I want to go live and have a good time with my partner or my parents or my friends. And we have also got such a great infrastructure now. Not just physical infrastructure, the digital infrastructure of booking tickets. Book My Show is
Yeah.
doing such a phenomenal job. Paytm Insider, District, everybody's there. And they are able to get such great acts.
Yeah.
Coldplay did their biggest show of their life in India,
Yeah.
in Ahmedabad,
Ahmedabad,
Narendra
yes,
Modi Stadium.
yes.
I was there. Such a breeze, entry and exit. I was there at DY Patil. Such a breeze, entry and exit. We have the infrastructure now. So it's a great time for the concert industry, for the live performance industry. People are doing sold out tours. So I think करते करते ही होता है. It's पहले नहीं था, अब है. डिमांड होगी तो चीज़ें बनती जाती हैं, धीरे धीरे बन जाएंगी. और
I'm really excited to attend Sunidhi's concert, which is
I Am
happening
Home.
in
Yes.
December, because I have heard a lot about it.
You must go. I think everybody should watch a Sunidhi Chauhan concert once.
I also have heard it.
Yeah.
What is different?
See, I have seen Sunidhi ma'am in all these years again at it. At it. मेरे को ये चीज़ चेंज करनी है, मुझे ये चीज़ इम्प्रूव करनी है. डांसर्स, कोरियोग्राफी, खुद अपने ऊपर इतना काम करती हैं, परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं वो एकदम. And so I think that goes a long way in creating that experience for the audience. आज आप एक सुनिधि चौहान कॉन्सर्ट में जाते हो तो you just don't get music, you get dance.
Yeah.
The energy is only different. There are slow songs, there are fast songs, and in all that there is one Sunidhi Chauhan binding it all. That energy is something else. उनका when she started I Am Home, तो उसका कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था डोम में पहली बार. And I was there and it was just surreal. Surreal था. मतलब she performed so many of our songs. Evi रुट गया. And the show is called I Am Home and she's done a song in Bhumi called Ghar Auna. So it's such an emotional moment for us because फिल्म के गाने तो लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, बट नॉन फिल्म म्यूजिक अब आप इतने बड़े स्टेडियम में सुनते हो ना तो यू फील लाइक गुड, वी हैव मेड इट समवेयर एज अ लेबल. सो या, यू मस्ट गो.
Yes, I will. Also, these days we see a lot of collab happening between Indian singers and international artists. Arjit Singh and Ed Sheeran is one.
Yes.
Recently, Karan Aujla and Ed Sheeran also did one
Yes.
collab. So, do you see that increasing? How does it make you feel? Because finally, we are also getting a worldwide recognition also.
Absolutely. I think it's a very good thing. Sapphire became such a big song.
Yes.
You know, Diljit and Ed also
Yeah.
performed together.
Hmm.
Arijit and Ed performed together. We worked with Lauren Alred, and this is all because people are, see, India today has become a hotspot for good
Hmm.
music.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to that topic
Hmm.
of ours कि इंडिया में क्या lacking है, इंडिया में कुछ भी
Hmm.
lacking नहीं है.
Hmm.
People are recognizing it now.
Yeah.
People are seeing that, okay, I like this song. I don't understand the language, but I like this song. I like this artist.
Hmm.
Martin Garrix came to India, stayed with Arijit Singh in Jiaganj,
Hmm.
which is, by the way, 6 hours away from Kolkata.
Hmm.
The frequency of that place, when I went there with Salim sir and one of my colleagues, Raj Pandit, we there went there to make a song with Arijit. The frequency of that place is something else. So these artists from the West, they also enjoy it. We are all humans.
Hmm.
So it's become a very collaborative thing now between different artists. We, tour the entire world.
Hmm.
सो नाउ क्या हो गया है कि आज आप सिर्फ टूर नहीं करते हो, यू ऑल्सो मीट लेबल्स, यू ऑल्सो मीट आर्टिस्ट्स, यू सी व्हाट कोलैबोरेशंस कैन बी मेड पॉसिबल. So the artists have also become more broad-minded.
Yeah. Okay. What interested you about music? Why did you start learning it?
I started very early in my life. I was 4 years old when my
Okay.
mom took me to a music school
Hmm.
in Delhi. Nobody in my family knew music except my grandmother, who was a master's in music, but she passed away 3 months after I was born.
Hmm.
So maybe
Okay.
I've taken it from her.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Hmm.
But I started learning music early in my life, and then karte, I also enjoyed it. My mom used to come with me in every class. She would sit, she would give me time, I would practice. Then I started learning tabla.
Hmm.
So that's what it is. मैं म्यूजिक जब तब से लेकर अब तक सीख ही रहा हूँ. My guru Shri Anirudh Pandey from Delhi, he taught me so many things that early on in my life helped me today also.
Hmm.
Then I learned tabla, then मैं हारमोनियम बजाने लगा, करते करते थोड़ा बहुत कीबोर्ड्स बजाने लगा. Now I'm learning how to play the piano. तो वो कभी रुकता नहीं है. Now that I'm with Salim and Suleiman sirs, so much that I see every day is a learning process for me.
Hmm.
How they compose, how they produce so fast. Speed भी बहुत मैटर करती है, especially when you're doing a job for something. आप एक गाना बना रहे हो किसी के लिए, has to be done in 2 days.
Hmm.
You have to be
Yeah.
fast.
Hmm.
For that, see, people say कि अरे ये तो इसने आधे घंटे में गाना बना लिया, पता नहीं कैसा होगा. बट वो गाना आधे घंटे में इसलिए बना है क्योंकि वो 50 साल किसी की प्रैक्टिस रही है. All the veterans today can do that so quickly because they were doing it all over and over again all their lives.
Yeah.
अगर मैं कोई चीज़ 5 साल 10 साल से कर रहा हूँ तो शायद I may be slightly faster at it than you. It's like that.
Makes sense. Okay. So today morning only I was watching this show called iPopstar on
Yes.
Amazon, and it's so nice, and it felt so nice to just watch it because firstly it's indie music
Yeah,
coming on the forefront.
correct.
It's a reality show.
Yes.
It's so amazing to see each and every journey there.
Yeah,
And we as kids have grown up watching Indian Idol.
of course.
Do you feel कि this reality shows are really important in changing the trajectory of any singer or artist?
Yes and no. See, today, well, iPopstar is a Warner property, and they're doing a great job, whatever. But today, you don't really need a reality show. See, understand that people on any show now are already famous on Instagram. People already know them. And the format, पहले क्या होता था ना कि Instagram नहीं था, तो मैं किसी को जानता हूँ तो टीवी से देख के जानता हूँ. तो आज भी इंडियन आइडल टीवी पे आता है तो लोग बहुत people get popularized. But I think that's not the only way today to get discovered. There are so many artists who don't want to go to reality shows because maybe they are not real. But Instagram is, आपने जो किया उसका आपको नतीजा वहीं पे मिल जाएगा.
Yeah.
सिंपल है. नो ऑल्टरेशन, नो अडल्टरेशन इन इट. आप जैसे हो वैसे ही हो. So I think reality shows, they have their own pros and cons, but I think people are doing just fine without them also.
Okay. And one more major controversial topic that exists in the music industry is auto-tune.
Auto-tune controversy नहीं है.
नहीं.
Auto-tune is a it's a tool यार.
Hmm.
अगर आप आज एक ईमेल लिखते हो
Hmm.
तो आप उसको स्पेल चेक करते हो ना.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Doesn't mean you don't know the spelling.
No. Hmm.
You're using a tool to tell you कि हाँ ये थोड़ा आप करेक्शन इधर उसने कर दी. अगर आपके पास एक टूल है तो उसका यूज करने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है. The biggest of the artists use it. How you use it, yeah, that is one thing. Maybe somebody who cannot sing only, auto-tune will make them also sing.
yeah.
But then जब आप लाइव गाएंगे तो फिर पोल खुल जाएगी.
Yes.
लेकिन ऑटो-ट्यून में कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ हेल्पिंग टूल इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ म्यूजिक. बस. तो अगर उसको हम अच्छे से यूज करें और उसका डिलिजेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबल यूज करें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इन माय ओपिनियन.
Okay. That's a very different perspective altogether. Nice.
But it's a myth that needs to be broken because people think कि यार ये तो ऑटो ट्यून आर्टिस्ट है.
Yeah. Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You gotta understand that ऑटो ट्यून यूज करने से आप एक आर्टिस्ट में कोई कमी नहीं आ जाती. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स योर सिंगिंग ओनली. बट हाँ, वो आपके ऊपर ही है. अगर मुझे पता है कि मैं एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से गा सकता हूँ, लाइव भी गा सकता हूँ, तो मुझे क्या ऑटो ट्यून से डरने की चीज़ है. उसने मेरे को 99 को 99.8 कर दिया, बट 99 तो मैं ही हूँ. हाँ, अगर मुझे गाना ही नहीं आता और मैं क्लेम कर लूँ कि ये तो सब मैंने गाया, तो फिर then I'm cheating with my listeners.
Yeah, fair.
That's the thing.
So there is a AI software I think came back few months back called Suno AI.
Yes.
What's your opinion on that? Because for us it's a very fun tool कि okay चलो
Yeah.
इसमें
गाना
डालो
बन
अपने
जाता है.
thought और गाना बन जाएगा.
I know.
But you being in the same industry, how has that I don't think it has affected yet, but do you think that in future it might?
Who knows? We don't know what. See, today AI is very, very good in terms of the quality that's coming out. Obviously, it's not matched the human level yet, but it's improving. And instead of उससे डर के उसके बारे में गलत बोलने से अच्छा है उसको अपना कोलैबोरेटर बना लो. सो आज हम भी स्टूडियो में बहुत बारी AI से यूज करके कोई आइडिया सुन लेते हैं कि ओके, how would this sound? It's not that, again, what I just said for auto-tune, it's also a tool. अगर मैं गाना कंपोज कर सकता हूँ तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि AI क्या कर रहा है. कर ले वो भी गाना कंपोज. हाँ, अगर मैं गाना कंपोज कर ही नहीं सकता, AI से गाना बना के बोलता हूँ ये मेरी कॉम्पोजिशन है, so then I'm cheating.
Yeah.
But otherwise I can always use AI as a tool and a collaborator and like a second opinion. बहुत चीज़ें हैं AI में जो कि आपका काम बहुत आसान कर देती हैं. बट आप उसको आसान करने से पहले उस चीज़ को जानो.
True.
तो फिर आपको वो हेल्प करेंगे. अगर आप शॉर्टकट ले लोगे, that's a problem.
Makes sense. Okay, coming to few fun questions.
Okay.
Firstly, as you said that you are from Delhi, born, brought up there, and now living in Mumbai. I have a lot of friends who are from Delhi और मैंने उनके मुँह से सिर्फ कंप्लेन सुने हैं कि उनको ये शहर नहीं पसंद आया.
मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है.
So I want to know your perspective. Like,
I really like Bombay as a city because as a musician, एक तो यहाँ पे this is the core. मैं कल ही किसी को बता रहा था कि ये गढ़ है म्यूजिक का. तो so much is happening in our industry here which doesn't happen in Delhi. Delhi is great. Delhi में भी म्यूजिक है but इतना नहीं है. दूसरी चीज, the pace of Bombay.
Yeah.
It's something else. Yes. And for a workaholic like me, it just helps me. I like it. It's a very subjective thing. Obviously, Delhi's got its own pros and cons. But Bombay is I think it's a very different frequency here, which I really like. तो मेरी complaint से ज़्यादा मैंने तो सारे खाने का बड़ा शौक है मुझे. तो I think for the first few months and years, I think I just kept looking for good food in Bombay, and मुझे तो वो भी मिल गया. तो I am pretty sorted actually. घर जाके अच्छा लगता है. It's a nice home. See, घर तो घर होता है.
Yeah.
तो उसके अपने एक प्लस पॉइंट्स हैं. बट जो बॉम्बे है, वो कर्म भूमि जिसको बोलते हैं ना, वो आई थिंक आई कांट फाइंड दिस समवेयर एल्स. इट्स लाइक buzzing all the time,
Yeah.
and there's some work for everyone. आप काम करने वाले बनो, काम बहुत है, कोई भूखा नहीं रहता यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. And people are also very helpful.
ये जो आपने बोली ना फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड पेस अलग है, ये मेरे को भी एक बार मेरी फ्रेंड ने बोला था. शी इज़ फ्रॉम यूपी.
Okay.
सो शी वाज लाइक, जब तुम घर जाते हो ना, तुम्हारा वॉकिंग पेस भी बहुत स्लो हो जाता है. तुम
Correct.
आराम से जीते हो. एज सुन एज यू लैंड इन मुंबई एयरपोर्ट, देयर इज समथिंग दैट चेंजेस, और तुम सच्ची भागने लगते हो.
Yeah.
भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुमने बाहर जाके
Correct,
कैब
correct,
5 मिनट भी लेट ली तो कुछ लॉस नहीं है, बट फिर भी तुम भागोगे
भागने
क्योंकि
लगते
लोग
हो.
भाग रहे हैं.
Yes. I think it's see also the rents in Bombay are high.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to earn. तो वो एक loop है. You need to earn to be able to pay your bills. For that you'll have to run. You'll have to work. And आप धीरे चल भी रहे हो ना, तो everybody else is running.
Yeah.
तो आप FOMO में ही भागने लग जाते हो.
हाँ.
Because everybody is working.
Yeah. Also, आपने mention किया you're a foodie and you have explored foods that you like here.
Yes.
Please give the
बहुत
recommendation.
जगह है. मैं तो मतलब I think अभी खार में एक बहुत अच्छी जगह होती थी, तमक करके. ग्रेट नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड. अभी वो मलाड शिफ्ट हो गए हैं,
Okay.
लेकिन पहले वो खार में थे, और इतना अच्छा वो, मैं आई कैन से इट ऑन कैमरा, तमक मेक्स बेटर नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड देन नॉर्थ इंडिया.
Wow,
And that's saying something.
yeah, that's a big
That's
claim.
saying something. And I've taken my friends there, they agree. इतना अच्छा खाना देते हैं वो लोग. And then there's One Eat Commune in Juhu, amazing food. Then there is all the social outlets, amazing food. मतलब then there is a dessert place called Tatsu, TAATSU, Japanese tarts. क्या खाना है, आप खा जाओगे तो that's a perfect dessert. किसी को भी खिलाया दे. Then there is Dakshinayan for South Indian.
Yeah.
Banana leaf for South Indian. There is Sadak Chap for chaps. मैं तो पूरा I can give you a list.
Go on. I love food, so I am enjoying this bit.
Lot of great places to eat. ऐसा नहीं है. So I mean everything is checked for me now.
Have you gone to Punjab Da Chula?
No.
No.
ये किधर है?
It's near
Oshiwara.
ISKCON only.
अच्छा हुआ.
हाँ, दक्षिणायन इस
हाँ.
तरफ है, आगे जाओगे
I've
पंजाब
been
का
there.
चूल्हा है.
Corner की shop है.
Yes,
open, yes.
it's a small
कुलचे
this,
मिलते हैं वहाँ
but
पे.
कुलचे मिलते हैं, which is amazing.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं हर जगह गया हूँ. नाम से नहीं पता होगा.
Which
Yes.
is
पतली गली के
amazing.
एकदम
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. So as मुंबई दिल्ली तो हो गया, which was the biggest debate, and thank you for solving it कि मुंबई में भी अच्छा खाना
अच्छी
मिलता है.
जगह है, ऐसा नहीं है. People are very like good here in terms of making food. Obviously मैं दिल्ली आज भी जाता हूँ तो छोले भटूरे ऑर्डर करता हूँ, दही भल्ला, टिक्की, गोलगप्पे, नॉट पानी पूरी. तो वो सारी चीजें हैं दिल्ली
Any
में.
place recommendation in Delhi, because I'm planning to go to Delhi soon.
अरे दिल्ली में तो बहुत जगह है. छोले भटूरे तो हर जगह ही अच्छे हैं. मोमोज खाओ, अमर कॉलोनी के मोमोज हैं. फिर गोलगप्पे, दिल्ली में हर चीज हर जगह अच्छी है. These chaat items, very good. So and see, I think again it's also the culture. यहाँ पे because it's so fast moving, everybody's on a vada pav. But hey, if you want to go for a fine dine, also great places. Yeah.
But I'm also sure कि when you are traveling to shoot a video, you might have seen very beautiful locations also.
Oh, totally.
So any tour place that you would say that people should visit?
Oh my God. First is Pahalgam, because मैं अभी गया था. पहलगाम और श्रीनगर, मतलब कश्मीर तो क्या है यार. मतलब आप किधर भी कैमरा लगा दो, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल ओनली. इट्स जस्ट गॉर्जियस. उसके अलावा आई रिमेम्बर वी हैड गॉन टू चैल, एंड वहाँ पे वी वर शूटिंग. वो तो सब ठीक है, रात हो गई है. रात को एक शॉट बचा था. देयर इज दिस वैली वेयर वी आर, पिच डार्क, एकदम सन्नाटा, शांति, नो लाइट्स. And I look up and there are stars. मतलब 1, 2, 5, 10, 100, 150 लाख
हम्म
जैसे हम बचपन में वो ब्रश पेंटिंग नहीं करते थे जिससे डॉट 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 बन जाती,
हाँ
इतने ऐसा लग रहा था कि मतलब देयर इज सम ब्लैक स्पॉट्स बिटवीन द वाइट एरियाज,
वाह
इतने स्टार्स थे.
वाह
दैट वाज, आई कांट डिस्क्राइब इट बट
हम्म
इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल.
हम्म
तो अपना बहुत एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था वो. या Maldives again beautiful,
हम्म
but what I saw in Kashmir and what I saw in Chair, I think nothing beats it.
I also feel when people talk about traveling abroad, going to fancy ass location, I feel India में बहुत जगह
बहुत
है to
कुछ है,
explore.
बहुत कुछ है. मतलब कैसे अपना जैसलमेर, जोधपुर,
Yeah, it is so
so
pretty.
pretty. मतलब the forts, the monuments. We shot a music video with Sonu ji in
Hmm.
Delhi.
Hmm.
That was so amazing. We shot in Humayun's tomb, we shot in
Hmm.
Sundar Nursery, we shot in Hauz Khas, we shot in Gurgaon. इतनी अच्छी अच्छी जगहें हैं, इतने सारे monuments हैं.
Hmm.
It's beautiful.
Also, through your job, you meet a lot of people, lot of artists from regional areas also.
Yes, of course.
So, how is that experience? How does it change from area to area? Because India is so diverse. इतने सारे culture, इतने सारे different लोग मिलते हैं, इतने सारे
Yeah,
different languages.
correct.
I'm sure there is something to learn from every
Oh, from
culture.
everyone. We run an organization called Zaria,
Hmm.
which is an NGO for the upliftment of folk musicians.
Hmm.
And the core focus is on Rajasthani music.
Hmm.
We have a school in Jaisalmer called Gunsar Folk Music School. And we keep working with these Rajasthani langas and
Wow.
Manganiyar uh, musicians. And this organization started because these guys did not have proper infrastructure there to support their
Hmm.
livelihood, or the ladies did not have bathrooms to go to, so they would wait till sundown. So we get to know कि
Hmm.
कितना struggle है इन लोगों का, and
Hmm.
how they are still, they always perform with a smile. ऐसे ही कश्मीर है. कश्मीर में uh, there is an artist called Noor Mohammed who we just
Okay.
released a song with, and such a rustic, different quality. He doesn't know how to speak Hindi.
Hmm.
We have never spoken properly because of this language barrier, but he understands music really well. And
Hmm.
तो ऐसे लोगों से बात करके पता चलता है कि लाइफ में इतना कुछ और है एक्सप्लोर करने के
Hmm.
लिए कि आप बस अपनी चीज़ों में ही लगे रह जाते हो. बट इतने कल्चर्स हैं कि यू नो यू जस्ट you get so overwhelmed when you see all these things in front of you.
Hmm.
I still remember we were sitting in Kashmir. There is a place in Srinagar called Kayam Gah. It's
Okay.
a resort,
Hmm.
but a very boutique resort.
Hmm.
वहाँ पे एक रूफ टॉप था, वहाँ पे कोई संतूर बजा रहा था,
Hmm.
and I could see the entire Dal Lake sunset,
Hmm.
and they were playing a song of ours on the santoor.
Wow.
It was like, man, where am I?
Hmm.
क्या चल रहा है ये?
Hmm.
It's still etched in my memory. So वो चीज़ें जाके ही पता चलती है. वो कल्चर्स उसके अंदर आपको ढालना पड़ेगा
Hmm.
खुद को, तो ही पता चलता है. Yeah.
Hmm.
We are very heavy on regional music. We love
Hmm.
to release because कोई और निकाल ही नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
पहली बात तो वो है.
Yeah.
दूसरी बात, कोई इस लेवल पे नहीं निकाल रहा है
Hmm.
जिस लेवल पे हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा देश, हमारा कल्चर रिप्रेजेंट हो.
Hmm.
उस लेवल पे कोई नहीं निकाल रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी वर लाइक, let's do this. Let's
Hmm.
release. We always release a Kashmiri song every
Hmm.
season.
Wow.
We released a Gujarati song this year.
Hmm.
Sometimes we release a Marathi song.
Hmm.
Sometimes we released an Assamese song.
Hmm.
People take so much pride कि यार मेरे रीजन का गाना एक इतने बड़े स्टेज पे जा रहा है.
Hmm.
तो we are very proud of that culture.
And it's very strange. So, when I think Ed Sheeran was doing his concert, he also had done a concert in Shillong or somewhere.
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
when we मतलब एज एन ऑडियंस सिटिंग इन मुंबई हमको लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन के लिए अच्छी है बट
Correct.
उतना तुमको लगता नहीं कि ओके इट कैन बी दैट बिग कि अ फॉरेन आर्टिस्ट इज कमिंग एंड परफॉर्मिंग देयर.
There's a lot of music in Northeast. A lot of music, and people are so dedicated there. There's some insane guitarists, some great composers. My God, I mean, I know so many people there who they're just they are truly sincere students of music. And that's why, these artists, they do their due diligence ki, they also want to be around that culture, na? When they're coming to a country like ours, they want to see ki wahan pe kya ho raha hai.
Yeah.
That's why they go there.
Now coming to devotional songs.
Oh yeah.
It's so beautiful, it is so nice. मतलब जब तुम बच्चे होते हो ना, उतनी समझ नहीं होती उस चीज़ की, यू टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड
Of course.
कि तब ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्या सुना रहे हो.
टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड से ज़्यादा आपको पता ही नहीं होता,
हाँ.
उसका मतलब ही नहीं पता होता है. बट फॉर्चुनेट एक्चुअली इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग, मेरी म्यूज़िक की शुरुआत ही डिवोशनल म्यूज़िक की वजह से हुई. बिकॉज आई यूज टू, बिफोर एनीथिंग हैपेंड, आई यूज टू सिंग इन, हमारे घर में पूजा होती है, तो मैं आरती गा रहा हूँ मम्मी पापा के साथ, या कुछ ऐसे प्रॉपरली नहीं गा. 4 साल का बच्चा, 5 साल का बच्चा कितना गा लेगा. लेकिन हाँ, दे न्यू कि हाँ, ही इज़ रेजोनेटिंग विद म्यूज़िक. करते करते करते, एंड आई वॉज ऑलवेज, आई स्टिल एम वेरी रिलीजियस. एंड हमारे तो स्टूडियो में भी इतना रिलीजियस म्यूज़िक होता है, डिवोशनल म्यूज़िक होता है कि it's become even more intense now. So I released a couple of bhajans myself, and then we go to these places to pray and darshan करने जाते हैं हम वहाँ पे. तो it's just so nice to be in a space where मैं कवाली का भी पार्ट हूँ, मैं एक शिव भजन का भी पार्ट हूँ, मैं एक कृष्णा भजन का भी पार्ट हूँ, मैं बहुत कुछ चीज़ें समझ रहा हूँ. मैं समझ रहा हूँ मनकबत क्या होते हैं, नुआह क्या होते हैं, हम एक शब्द भी कर रहे हैं. Everything is happening. And then my parents also are very religious. So एक दिन मम्मी ने ही बोल दिया, यार तू इतने गाने बनाते, भजन बना. So then I made a bhajan. It did really well. तो I was like कि ये भी मुझे explore करना चाहिए. So I released a bhajan called दीवाना कर दिया शाम ने. It was for Sham Baba. Then I released a Shiv bhajan because I have always, मेरे नाम में ही शिव है. So मुझे, I've always worshipped Lord Shiva very very much, very deeply. So पूजा करो करके मैंने एक भजन था वो निकाला. तो ऐसे आई थिंक डिवोशनल म्यूजिक, सी अगेन, कुछ भी हो जाए, डिवोशनल म्यूजिक विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. एंड it's also, as a musician, you feel very calm when you are working on something like this. हम स्टूडियो में अभी कृष्णा भजन बना रहे थे एक, और उस प्रोसेस में ही ना, अब रात को, आई स्टिल विविडली रिमेंबर, हम रात के 1:30-2 बजे हमने भजन बनाना शुरू किया था, और इतना पीस मिल रहा था ना उसमें. ओ माय गॉड. सो इट्स not for anybody else, it's for yourself.
Yeah.
It's your prayer, it's your devotion, it's your offering to the Almighty. That's how I see it.
प्लस वही है ना, लाइक एज एन ऑडियंस, जब सब कुछ खराब हो रहा होता है ना लाइफ में, तब तुमको जब काम चाहिए, यू जस्ट वांट टू प्ले वो
Of
एक
course.
डिवोशनल सॉन्ग
Yeah,
बस
yeah, yeah.
बजा दो, एंड यू जस्ट
Always, whenever I'm having a tough day, I know which bhajan I want to play. और बिकॉज मेरे स्टूडियो में सभी लोग गाते हैं, और हम सभी म्यूजिशियंस हैं, और लकीली सभी रिलीजियस भी है, तो सभी इंजॉय करते हैं. नोबडी हैज कि यार मैं कुछ और काम कर रहा हूँ, बंद कर दो. एवरीबडी इज वेरी काम एंड रिलैक्स्ड.
Fair. I came across your reel where you had made a song for KL Rahul and Atya.
Oh yeah.
How did that opportunity come to your place?
That's also a very interesting story. मेरा एक गाना था पता नहीं करके, which is this song that Salim sir produced and Sulaiman sir produced. That was my debut. गाना निकल गया. 2-3 साल बाद it got placed in a Amazon web series called शहर लखोट.
Okay.
So मेरे को एक कंपनी से कॉल आता है कि we want this song, can you give it? Sure, why not? Same company then asked me कि आप ये we are working on this wedding film, और मुझे नहीं पता किसकी wedding, कि can we connect you to them, they are very great, very good wedding videographers, photographers. I was like okay, and so they're like this is the brief. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. मैंने गाना बनाया, मुझे तब भी नहीं पता मैं किसके लिए गाना बना रहा हूँ. तो चल रहा है, बिकॉज NDAs and this and that, it was very confidential. गाना अप्रूव हो गया. नाउ दे आर लाइक इसमें ना एक तुलू पार्ट डाल दो. तुलू पार्ट क्यों डालूं? दिस फॉर KL Rahul and Atya Shetty. I'm like what? And obviously, I mean, it's a big thing for me. It's a for a musician who's just starting up to make a song like that. And then so so I made that song and it released and people loved it.
Hmm.
Even in fact, a lot of people still ask me कि उसका full version कब निकलेगा, because actually on Instagram
Hmm.
there is only like a minute long
Yeah,
version of
yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's actually a 4-minute long song.
Wow.
आपने तो तुलु version सुना ही नहीं है उसका because it
हाँ.
never released.
Yes.
But because you know, Athya and KL, they love the song so much that they said we want to keep it just to ourselves. I'm like, okay, that's I mean, I got to know some really good things from them about the song, that we like it so much. And तो तब से मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था कि just to see those visuals on my song, my voice, somebody's special moment, you know, you are becoming a part of that. So then I started working with this company called House on the Clouds, and very sweet people, Ashwin and Siddharth. They keep we keep meeting, did multiple other things after that. तो हाँ, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है वेडिंग फिल्म्स के लिए म्यूजिक बनाना. Yeah.
Also, when you were mentioning that you had to learn, like, write Tulu,
Yeah.
also learn about it. Was it difficult? Because for a Delhi guy, जिसने मुश्किल से तुलु के बारे में सुना
Do I
होगा,
sound like a Delhi guy?
you give off a vibe of a Delhi guy.
Yeah.
But then going and singing.
Is it Tulu or Tulu?
It's Tulu.
Tulu.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
I thought there's a Tulu. No.
It's
because I worked really hard on the pronunciation, because I was working with a language supervisor and they worked so hard with me कि इसको नहीं ऐसे नहीं, छोटा ल ये ऐसे बोलते हैं, इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं. And I got to know कि यार कितना कुछ होता है एक दूसरी भाषा में. And I got to know that there's no script for Tulu, and you know, and also सिर्फ मैंने 4 लाइनें सीखी थी. But I was like so happy कि you know, in a Hindi song there is this portion which is so contextual, so personal to the couple also. You know, they will also feel so nice. So yeah, I keep doing all these things.
But was it difficult for you to, you know, blend and to learn about that and then go about it? Because I'm sure आपने और भी languages सीखे होंगे along the way, right?
हाँ, but Tulu, I mean, it was difficult. I took like 4-5 passes to get the words right. But हो गया वो करते करते, you know, when you are with a supervisor, they really work hard with you. So हो जाता है. But हाँ, it's not as easy as it looks like. छोटी छोटी nuances के लिए especially. You can do it, but अगर आपको एकदम correct precision के साथ करना है, then it takes a little while.
Okay. As I was saying, I have fun questions. So one more question that I have is, me being in Mumbai and then getting to know about Honey Singh is one thing, but you living in Delhi and knowing about Honey Singh is another thing.
Oh yeah.
And Honey Singh's fandom was crazy.
It still is very
era.
very
and
much.
Now obviously he's coming back and it's still crazy.
Yeah.
How was your experience as a singer, knowing, and have you like gotten a chance to meet him? Or
no, I've
work
not.
with him?
I've never met him, but I have attended his concert. So I've heard the music. It's amazing. There is a reason why even after all these years, he's still very relevant. And from what I see, I think he also is a very sincere musician. जो भी चीजें बाकी है वो अलग है, but I also watched his documentary, and there is something about him that people really like and resonate with. Be it Delhi, be it you know, any other city, he's famous everywhere. तो और हर एज के लोगों के साथ. I am 26. I also like him. Somebody is 21. I have a friend. He is obsessed with Honey Singh. He's very young. Then कोई 40 साल का इंसान है, उनको भी हनी सिंह के बारे में पता है. तो he has seen that journey. तो amazing, I think, with whatever music he's making now. Again, it's gotten so much success, and that's for a reason. He's taken time to understand people. He released songs back in the day which were rage of that time. You know, they were the talk of the town. So he's really worked very hard on his music. So, you know, I can just say he's an amazing musician. Never met him. Would love to meet and work. Yeah.
Now coming to my favorite singer,
Okay.
Karan Aujla.
Of course.
So,
Karan Aujla, yes.
me being in Mumbai, I got to know him about last year. I started listening to his songs. Making Memories wali jo album thi, that's my favorite album.
Sure.
I got to know through friend, and now I have become a fan. But now with his new album, P-pop Culture,
Yes.
I see also my friends sitting in Mangalore listening to his
Yeah,
songs.
yeah, 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 yeah.
And that is just insane ki you may not understand the language. You might not
हाँ,
exactly know ki what is he saying unless you go learn the lyrics and then go about it.
right.
But still having that fandom, knowing that
Oh,
people are
totally.
going crazy for the people who don't even understand that language.
Punjabi, yes.
Yeah, like my core is not Punjabi, I'm a South
Karan is an
Indian.
amazing artist. I have met him very briefly, and we are working with him now
Wow.
on a song. And he is very humble.
Hmm.
He is also very dedicated to his music, and he experiments a lot. And आज मैं अपनी फीड खोलता हूँ तो it's only his music
Yes.
going on.
Him and boyfriend
Yeah.
are there on all the
Yeah,
reels.
yeah. There's a reason for that. I mean, you just can't get everybody to like your
Yeah,
music just
yeah,
like that.
yeah.
It has to have some merit. It has to have some relatability. People love to dance on his music.
Yes.
Boyfriend, For a Reason, Softly, Tauba Tauba. Every song is just
Yes.
blowing up. And उसका रीज़न यही है कि आप ऐसा तो कर नहीं सकते, नहीं तो हर कोई करण औजला बन जाता. कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है उसमें. You also see some authenticity in the artist.
Yes.
And that's why you want to listen to their music sometimes it's the music, sometimes it's the artist. कि I want to listen to this song because of the merit of this song. No, I want to listen to this song because of the merit of this artist.
Yeah.
बनाया तो अच्छा ही बनाया होगा. Let's तो वही चीज़ है. I think that's what Karan Aujla is about.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, now coming to the business side.
Okay.
As you are a CEO, you learn so many things over the years. What is the important mindset that you feel people should have when they are working in any industry, like across any industry? Two mindsets that people need to have to grow.
Constantly working hard. There's no shortcut to that. आप कितने कम skilled हो, ज़्यादा skilled हो, you have to put in those many hours every day. Anybody who is successful, anybody of any scale, any culture, any country, कितना भी बड़ा से बड़ा आदमी हो, वो उतना काम करता है आज भी, तभी वो उतना बड़ा आदमी है. So I think, I mean, that dedication to your work now is very important. And secondly, I think just being able to say sorry.
That's a big skill. Yes.
That I think is, for me, it's very important. To be able to make mistakes.
Yeah.
And to be able to accept that you made mistakes. गलती सबसे होती है. गलती इंसान नहीं करेगा तो कौन करेगा. बट सॉरी बोल दो और आगे बढ़ जाओ. Empathize with the person who you may have hurt in the process and just move on. Instead of having an ego or arrogance or just the fact कि नहीं मैं कैसे गलत हो सकता हूँ. मैं बहुत बारी गलत होता हूँ. Say sorry, accept it. हाँ मैं था, I was wrong here. I think that's very important.
Yes. Yeah. That's a very big quality. Like, I have seen a lot of people who make mistakes and just, defend themselves.
Yeah.
And just give reasons where you can just say a simple sorry and you could just...
It's over.
Go ahead, yes.
You can do so many more things in that time. That's there.
Fair. Okay. Any music recommendations that you have? Like, any artists that people should listen to?
So many.
Any album?
1.5 घंटा और चल जाएगी podcast.
If you have to give top 3.
Okay. Composers, singers?
Singers and also any genre of music that people should explore.
Okay. Singers, there is a very good singer called Utkarsh Wankhede.
Okay.
Sings like magic. I'm only talking about singers who are not as popular.
Yeah.
Popular तो बहुत लोग हैं. They've got their share. Hansika Parikh.
Okay.
Very good singer again. And third, Raj Pandit.
Okay.
I work with him every day. And I think the kind of precision and the kind of dedication he has for his music, I learn so much from him every day. I think these 3 singers my God, they are also composers. They are also composers and very good musicians. Yeah, really. Genre wise, I think it. Yeah, see, that's a very personal and subjective thing. I listen from Punjabi music to classical to rap to instrumentals to everything, pop, rock. Uh, I really like this band called Pineapple Express.
Okay.
One of my friends, Yogi, he runs it. They are into prog rock. I listen to that also, but it really depends. Yeah, it's a very personal thing. What suits you? Music is again, as much as an expression, it's also, what you seek from music is very core to your beliefs and what you. Maybe I'm listening to certain genres because I feel a certain thing from it. Maybe somebody else is doing something else. It depends on you.
Okay. There is this international artist called Charlie Puth.
Of course.
And there was one clip of his जहाँ पे he's sitting on a live like a talk show जहाँ पे वो बैठे हैं. He has just picked
Jimmy
up
Fallon show.
हाँ, Jimmy Fallon show.
Yeah,
He has
yeah,
picked up a
correct.
glass, एक sound बनाया. He
Correct.
has like literally sat there and made a music out of it.
Yeah.
What do you like?
He's
you,
amazing. He's amazing. I just saw a reel 2 days ago or 1 day ago on Instagram. So a friend of his telling that Charlie is like that throughout, like not just on screen. He just likes to make music from everything and everything. So again, वही है कि अगर आपकी personality है वैसी तो वो दिखेगा भी. And he's really revolutionized music in a big way. And not just, I mean, people say ki, wow, you made sounds from this and that. It's just his mind, that's so musical that music is everywhere. Music is everywhere, literally. आप घर से बाहर निकलते हो, आप कहीं ना कुछ म्यूजिक ढूंढ ही लेते हो. अभी कल ही एक, मैं बहुत रील्स देखता हूँ, सॉरी, बट किसी के ट्रैक्टर का वो चल रहा था एंड देयर वाज अ गिटारिस्ट एंड ही मेड कि वो मेट्रोनॉम की तरह उसको यूज करके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे. ही कम्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी लाइक अ टियर 2 सिटी. सो उसने उसको मेट्रोनॉम बना लिया अपना ट्रैक्टर को. तो music is like that. Yeah, it's a crazy space. Charlie Puth is amazing. I love his music. So many of his songs have just been anthems and like in everybody's playlists. So matlab his pop songs are just something
and his
else.
vocals are amazing.
Amazing.
Really
How he
amazing.
stacks, how he makes layers of music and whatever. How he thinks as a musician is also, when I am a musician, I would like to know what goes in his brain, and that I think is very interesting. गाने तो हर कोई बना लेता है, but to be able to as a producer think of so many things कि हाँ मैं इससे गाना बना लेता हूँ, उससे गाना. He could have really done that on the computer. मिल जाता है उसको songs, but he's having fun. That's important. कि गाना बनाने के लिए बना रहे हैं, नहीं, फन के लिए बना रहे हैं. That's very important. That's I think what Charlie Puth is.
One more artist which people go crazy over is Michael Jackson.
Oh, of course. Michael Jackson को you can't call just an artist. Yeah, he's a phenomenon. I mean, क्या बोल सकते हो आपने, तो मतलब he was he's still legendary. I mean, कौन नहीं है जिसने माइकल जैक्सन को नहीं सुना. He set a benchmark for a lot of things.
Yeah.
Not just singing, but how you carry yourself as an artist. Today also people just want to make their act look like Michael Jackson. So मतलब मैं तो बहुत ही छोटा हूँ to even say anecdotes from that era. But I mean, I see even when Salim sir or Sulaiman sir is talking about Michael Jackson, there is a spark in their eyes. It's everybody's hero. He was just like that. आज भी आप कोई मूवी देख लो, कोई वीडियो देख लो यूट्यूब पे माइकल जैक्सन की, you will feel that aura. Aura है. Yeah, that's the.
He was the true person to get aura.
Yeah. He did it before it was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to my second last question, it might be controversial again, but मेरा काम है to give a disclaimer.
नहीं, of course.
So there is this talk which goes on a lot ki you at times, not all the artists but few of them might take intoxications to get into that flow state. Is it true, and does it actually help, doesn't help you being in part of that? Are you
Well,
aware of
I
it?
don't drink, I don't
Hmm.
smoke, I
Hmm.
don't do any of it, so I wouldn't know what it does to you.
Hmm.
But I know one thing for sure, that it doesn't help you.
Hmm.
Whoever is saying ki, I get in a trance and
Yeah.
whatever, I don't think so. I may be
Hmm.
wrong.
Hmm.
People who do it may know better. But music is also मतलब आपकी साधना है. It's
Hmm.
and not to sound very purist or like whatever, but आप स्टेज पे जा रहे हो,
Hmm.
आप अपने होश में जाओगे तो बेटर रहेगा.
Yes.
इतने सारे लोग आपको सुनने आए हैं. Maybe it will just
Hmm.
give you a better control over your voice.
Yeah, makes sense.
And also, like smoking, how is it going to help you if it's affecting your
Hmm.
body? You need stamina to sing, you need longer breath to
Hmm.
sing. वो कैसे होगा स्मोकिंग से? हो ही,
Hmm.
इट्स नॉट लॉजिकल ना.
Yeah.
तो आई डोंट थिंक सो.
Hmm. Okay. Coming to my last question, which I asked to all my guests,
Okay.
is one advice that you want to give to any 19-20-year-old starting in this world.
Just start.
Hmm.
Don't think so much.
Hmm.
That's what I did. मुझे तो अभी भी नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ, हाथ पैर मार रहा हूँ. Just start.
Hmm.
क्या होगा? You will fail. You can afford to fail in that age.
Hmm.
You don't have any dependence. मस्ती
True.
करो. Either you'll know what works for you,
Hmm.
or you'll know what doesn't work for you.
Hmm.
You'll know ये नहीं करना.
Hmm. True.
हाथ जला लिया, अभी दोबारा इधर नहीं, इधर हाथ लगाएंगे तो हाथ जलेगा.
Hmm.
I think just starting up is very important. Having that initiative, giving those many hours, hustling, if that's a word.
Yes.
Yeah, but having, and I mean, just making sure that you don't regret it 10 years later. यार मैं भी कर लेता तो.
Hmm.
कर लो, अभी कर लो, अभी तो बेस्ट है. Colleges today are so, I mean, supportive of cultural
Yeah.
activities
Yeah.
and entrepreneurship also. There's so much that you can learn from, and people out there are very helpful. As if somebody comes to me,
Hmm.
an 18-year, 19-year-old, I would love to help them. I would love to tell them that you can do this. I started my first company when I was in 10th grade.
Wow.
And I'm not saying to sort of blow my own horn, but वो करके मुझे बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिली.
Hmm.
I learned how to negotiate. I learned people skills. I learned कि the world out there is not so easy to deal with. वो तभी होता है जब आप कुछ करते हो.
Hmm.
And don't over plan.
Hmm.
Plan, but don't over plan. करो. Sometimes people take this long to just plan, और फिर वो by the time it's execution time they just give up. उससे अच्छा plan, do it, fail, then do it again, then rise, then fail again. It's a part of the process. That's what I think. आज की डेट में हम, I work in a music label. I'm starting a clothing line. I'm starting an app. I'm doing so many things. Why? Because A, I like to do it. B, I have support to do it. And C, if not now, then when?
Yeah.
So that's all I can tell.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Thank
doing
you.
this.
This is so much fun. I loved it. Thank you for having
It
me.
was inspirational, motivational, all at the same time.
I
Plus
just
great insight. So thank you so
thank
much
you so
for
much
doing
for
it.
having me.